Neutralization. In this module, we will learn about neutralization. When an acid is mixed with a base in the right proportion, both solutions neutralize the effect of each other. That means the acidic nature of acid and the basic nature of base is destroyed. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. Let's see how neutralization works. We have some test tubes, some droppers, dilute hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide solution, and an indicator called phenolphthalein on the table. Let's add some dilute hydrochloric acid to the test tube. Notice that it is colorless solution. Let's add the indicator phenolphthalein in the test tube. Phenolphthalein gives a pink color when the solution is basic. It remains colorless. It means it is acidic. See, it is still colorless. This confirms that our liquid is an acid. To this acidic solution, let's add sodium hydroxide, which is basic in nature, and see if the color of the liquid changes. Look, the color has changed to pink. This shows that the liquid has now become a basic solution. That is why it is pink in color. See what happens on adding another drop of hydrochloric acid to this test tube. It becomes colorless again. The solution has become acidic because of the additional drop. Now let's add a few small amount of sodium hydroxide, the base, again. Just enough so that the solution remains colorless and does not change to pink. The proportion of this liquid is now such that the acid and base have neutralized each other. This colorless solution is neither an acid nor a base. It is a neutral solution. But how we will confirm whether this is a neutral solution? We can use an indicator to do that. Let's use litmus paper to know for sure. The blue strip has remained blue and red strip has remained red. This shows that this solution is neither an acid nor a base. It is a neutral solution. Last, neutralization reaction can be defined as a reaction between an acid and a base. This neutralization reaction can be written as hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide gives sodium chloride and water. We will now observe other changes that took place during the neutralization reaction. The test tube has become quite hot because heat was produced during the neutralization reaction. This is one of the changes. Another product of neutralization reaction is salt. So, heat and salt are produced during neutralization reaction. Now, you know that neutralization is a reaction between an acid and a base, where acidic and basic properties of each are destroyed, and heat, salt, and water are produced in this process. Salt does not always mean common salt. It is a general term used for a compound formed by neutralization of acid and base. For example, copper sulfate and ferrous sulfate.